guys, how you doing? Want to talk a little bit about green tea extract again in this video, and it's a very, very powerful antioxidant, contains a little bit of caffeine, is typically used for anti-aging, overall antioxidant, just make you smarter again, increase your BDNF, your brain-derived neurotrophic factor. If you've never heard of that term before, or you're somebody that is highly interested in just becoming a better you, look up that term BDNF. I first learned about it in psychology at school, and it is truly fascinating. So the green tea extract, I'll show you a few different forms of it. I purchased this from Nootropics Depot. There you go, green tea extract. The stuff, it tastes really bad, so I would recommend you encapsulate it. Sorry, one sec, I'm just gonna open this just to give you guys an idea. There you are, right? So typical dose is 350 milligrams. I had actually emailed them asking them what the caffeine content was because it wasn't there, and they did respond. They said it was pretty low, but that really wasn't too helpful. And then something which I'm really liking right now is if you are going to purchase the actual tea, I have tried various forms of green tea and decaffeinated, caffeinated. This is David's tea. If you're unfamiliar, David is it's like the Starbucks of tea, so to speak. So I bought Japanese sencha. It was gifted to me. It says green tea organic. And upon from taking my first cup, I was in love with it. The stuff, it really seems like it has that perfect amount of caffeine to theanine, which is one of the reasons why people take green tea in the first place, is it supposedly is high in theanine, which is hard to find in foods and can help just mitigate and minimize those side effects you may experience from caffeine intake. Like you'll get less jitters, less anxiety. But people may not realize that in green tea, the amount of theanine is so insignificant, it's negligible. However, again, getting back to this product, it's, what does it say? This emerald green tea is light, refreshing, and smooth. No wonder it's Japan's most popular drink. That's funny. High caffeine, it is high caffeine. Man, you just feel great. You feel euphoric, you feel calm, you feel willing to socially interact, you feel really focused. So I'd recommend, if you do regularly drink green tea and you're looking to just get the best product, check that one out. I've checked a few from David's Tea, and how it works is, you buy the little tea filters, these little bags. So it's really pretty neat. Sure, it's an inconvenience, but it goes to show you that you pay for freshness, right? So you buy the little sachets and then you just put a teaspoon in. And overall, I'd recommend you definitely do check out green tea. It's green tea extract. It's gonna do so many things. It's gonna help you suppress your appetite. It's gonna help with fat loss. Very, very powerful antioxidant. However, there is some research showing that too much green tea ingestion can actually harm your liver. And as well, what the interesting studies they're finding is that high amounts of green tea consumption can actually decrease your levels of testosterone. And that's been my experience. So I don't take too much of it. I will typically take a couple of tablets of green tea extract every day, or now that I'm having this tea, I'll just take one of these teas during the day, and I'll have some decaf at night. I like having a bit of decaf tea, after dinner. Just helps me to suppress my appetite. As far as green tea extract, I've rated the supplement before, but as far as this product goes by David's Tea, I personally like it. That's Japanese sencha, 10 out of 10, it's good stuff. Check out green tea in any case, in whichever form. The decaf, most of the research just shows that it doesn't really have all the benefits that the caffeinated one does have, unfortunately. See you guys next time.